Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you today that will show you some email marketing software for free. The free piece of software that we're going to be using is available as a link down below in the description. So if you want to try it all out for completely free, once you're done watching the video, of course, all you need to do is give that link a click down below. So yeah, I mean, it's called GetResponse and it's capable of a multitude of things. However, just very quickly, I'll give you an overview of it, and in the context of creating a newsletter. Now, just because it's called a newsletter, it can be used to do a lot of things, like I'll show you in a second. And this is one of the many functions of it. However, it's a platform that's kind of based around email campaigns or email marketing. And if you've ever used Canva, it's got a system of templates in it that's very similar to that. So if you go back for a second on your dashboard, so create a new newsletter, for example, and you can give it a title, which is just going to be for your reference. And then actually, prior to showing you that, just before I get into it, in the contacts page on the top of the menu there, you're able to create lists of contacts who you want to send these campaigns to. So you can see that you've got this create list button here, which you can create list, just give it a name. You can see that I've got a couple here already. And then when you want to add a contact to a particular list, you just got to pick it from that drop down menu there, add their email, add their name, say that you've got their permission, and away you go. So you would prepare that list prior to making your email campaign, ideally. So the subject line is what's going to appear in your recipient's inbox, so be mindful of what you put in there. Try not to make it look like spam. And then I'm going to add myself to this particular tutorial example just by hitting that little button there. So that's a list that I've created beforehand. I'm just going to give that a random title, and then you can see here's where it gets particularly interesting. If I hit design message right there, this is the template bank that I was talking about earlier, which allows you to select from one of the pre-made kind of email messages basically, and you'll be able to in here see from the categories the different kinds of things that you can sort of achieve really. So yeah, have a good look around the template library and find a template which closest resembles what you're looking for. Once you've done that, you can preview them by hovering over them and hitting preview, and then once you're happy with one, once you've found what you're looking for, you can just hit use template. That then opens this system, which is very self-explanatory, very intuitive. As you can see that all of the elements are selectable, and then when you do select it, a little menu appears on the right here corresponding to whatever you've got selected. Text you can double click and select like that, and that'll allow you to kind of type whatever you want in replacement there, and you can replace images and edit what the buttons do, you know, paste in the URL that you want the user to be taken to if they click that button, etc. Once you hit next, then that'll take you back to that form once you're happy with your message, and then all you need to do to send that immediately is hit send message, and off it goes to the list of people. So yeah, that's a very quick overview of it. And just before I end the video, I'd like to mention that I've left a link in the description below for a software that can rank your website instantly by using videos. So this might be very interesting to the viewer who's looking for more traffic and sales to their website. So make sure to check it out if this is something that you need. And if you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.